Hello everyone, my name is Agrim Shrivastava and this is the video presentation for my Mat2 project. The statement that I chose was household application, in which there is a customer who requests for a service. Then the service professionals accept those requests and perform those requests. After that, the request is closed. First, let me show you the basic project structure of the application. So the backend is developed using Flask, which is a lightweight Python framework. In particular, I have used Flask RESTful to create the REST APIs. So here you can see all the REST APIs that are being used by the application. For the front-end part, I have used Vue.js CLI, in particular the composition API. So you can see all the views and all the components of the application. This is the landing page of the website. Let me scroll down. So under the services section, all the services that are being offered by the application are listed. So when the person first enters the website, he can either sign up as a customer or he can sign up as a professional. And if you already have an account, you can simply log in. So first I'll log in as admin. So this is the admin dashboard. It displays a number of users, active professionals, pending approvals, total services. There's a statistics for the number of requests of a particular service. In the services section, all the services are listed. I can edit a service. I can delete it. I can also add a new service. Under professionals, all the professionals are listed. I can view details about a particular professional, the service he performs, the years of experience about him, and the reviews also. Under the customers, all the customers are listed. I can block a customer and unblock him. And same for the professionals also. I can block a professional and unblock. Now, first, let me log in as a customer. So, this is the customer dashboard. All the requested bookings and ongoing bookings are listed here. Under the services section, can go and book for a new service request. So for example, I'm going to book home clinic, and then I'll have to choose a date. So I'll choose the first and I'll book the request. Now on the dashboard, I can see the request is created. I can delete a request also. So here I have deleted a request. Under the profile section, the profile of the particular customer is there, and you can also edit the profile. Now what happens is, as soon as a service request is created, all the service professionals that are associated with the service, in this case, for example, home cleaning, will receive an email. So I've also set up email. Let me show you. So you can see new service request, and the has received a new service request has been created. So what I'll do is I'll log in as Sarah. So you can see under the request section, the new request appears, and she can simply accept this request. Now that will go under the dashboard under ongoing request. And for the customer, you can see ongoing bookings, and this was the earlier one, and this is that we booked just right now. So I can view the professional also. So this is Sarah, who has accepted our request. So now the customer can close the request, and I have to give a review also. So the request is closed. As soon as the request is closed, I have also set up Google Chat webhooks in which a message has been sent. Hi, Sarah Wilson. Customer has closed the service request. So now, uh, Sarah Wilson can just close the request from her side. So this is the basic workflow of the application. And under the additional features, I have implemented I utilized Flask security to establish authentication, authorization, and role-based access control. I've also set up email notifications, as you just saw, and managed asynchronous backend jobs also. Asynchronous backend jobs using Celery and Redis. So Redis is there for caching, and under the asynchronous backend jobs, I have scheduled monthly reports also. So you can see monthly reports. Now, every customer receives this monthly report in which he can see all the requests that he has requested in this month. I've also integrated Google Spaces webhooks for automated updates and interactions. On the front-end part, which I built using Vue.js, I adopted Pinia for state management to maintain seamless data flow. And I also employed Bootstrap to achieve a responsive design. So the website is completely responsive across all the devices. So that's it for the presentation. Thank you for watching.